In a couple of days I'm heading to retro rides and Vauxhall Icons at Crail Raceway in my Ford Escort. And before every car show that I go to, I give the Escort a clean. So I thought, why not this week? I'll bring you along to see how I clean my car before a car show. Now, while watching this video, you might be thinking the car's already clean. It doesn't need a wash, and you're probably right, it's pretty clean already. But there's a few little bits of dirt on the outside, and on the inside it's actually pretty dusty, and there's glitter all over the back seats. So this is how I get my Ford Escort ready for a car show. Right, let's get back to the house and we'll start cleaning the car. So the first job was to get some turtle wax wheel cleaner and spray my wheels with it. I've never used this before, I'd literally just bought it before the video, but we're going to try it out and see how it does. And then I left that to sit on the wheels for a few minutes. And even though the wheels look clean to start with, you can see how much dirt that spray's picking up. And after leaving the cleaner to sit, it was time to rinse off the full car now. And now it was time to make up the snow foam. After snow foaming the car, I went round it with a little brush to get into all the little gaps. I then rinsed off the full car, got a bucket of water mixed up, and then we cleaned the wheels. So starting off, I'm using a wheelbarrow brush. This gets right into the back of the wheel, and a lot of people don't use these, and that's why you see caked on dirt on the back of people's wheels and why they start corroding. I then go round the face of the wheel with my little wash mitt. Use a detailing brush to get in the little gaps, and then wash the wheel arch as well. I could now move on to doing an actual contact wash on the body of the car. I'm making sure to keep the wash mitt really clean, and I'm doing straight lines along the whole car. Ever since the new exhaust has been fitted to the Escort, I've never actually gave it a proper clean, so now we're going to give it a little bit of wire roll. And then I rinsed off the car, and look at the inside of the bucket. Even though the car looked clean, that is the amount of dirt we've pulled off the car. I then went round all the door shuts, making sure to dry it all out because it is a Ford at the end of the day. Then I went round with my chemical guy's drying towel and dried off the whole car. Then it was on to giving the inside a little quick clean, so I started by dusting off the dashboard and trims. And sorry for the grinder noises in the back of this clip, that's my dad trying to fix his stock car after he got into a bit of an incident at the last meeting. So yeah, that happened, but back on with cleaning the car. I'm just wiping around the clocks and the steering column. And then we gave the door cards a wipe down. And finally got on to giving the car a little hoover. And then I got on to cleaning the back half of the car. And this is how the interior was looking. And this is how the outside of the car was looking at the show on Sunday. Somehow I didn't get any videos of the car, but you get the idea from the previous videos as well. So it's now Sunday and we're at the car show and the Escort is looking shiny, if I do say so myself. So that is how I clean my car before I go to a car show. And at the car show, we even managed to win a wee show and shine trophy. My first ever trophy for a car show, so that's pretty cool as well, so thank you very much for that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you're new or you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! And a reminder that Retros and Rust is on September 8th, 2024. Okay, bye!